I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is GiveWP. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a user makes donation via form. You can choose as you want. Select a donation form. Click Next. Search and select an action newsletter. Connect to newsletter. Successfully connected to the newsletter. Next. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your donation page, type some information, and submit the donation form. The donation has been done successfully. Now go to the newsletter dashboard and navigate to the subscribers. Here, you can see that the data was successfully received in the newsletter. Thanks for watching.